Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 5 best foldable rowing machine in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1, our overall best pick is Sunny Health and Fitness Compact Folding Magnetic Rowing Machine. This model is ideal for users who want to add a new piece of equipment to their home gym without forking over a ton of money. We thought that the Sunny Health and Fitness SFRW 5801 was the best inexpensive foldable indoor rower available. It comes with plenty of features, but it's budget-friendly. The SFRW 5801 comes with 16 levels of resistance that are operated by a magnetic flywheel. You can turn the dial between rows to get a cardio or muscle-building workout. All age levels can use it due to the fine-tuning resistance dial. It comes with storage space for your device and water bottle. This rowing machine has a wide, padded seat that is comfortable and stable. The flywheel is quiet and won't disturb your neighbors. It has stabilizers on the base so that you can adjust the machine on uneven ground. We like that this machine was budget-friendly and straightforward for all users. It uses Synergy Power Motion technology, which makes for a quiet and effective flywheel. We would have liked to see a more detailed display screen. Pros: budget-friendly model, 16 levels of resistance. Synergy Power Motion technology. Cons: limited recording of fitness stats. Number 2, our second best pick is Circuit Fitness Deluxe Foldable Magnetic Rowing Machine. If you are looking to spend a little more money, then you should check out this model. We chose the Circuit Fitness AMZ 986RW as the best foldable rowing machine under $500. This machine is ideal for users who want a top-of-the-range rower for their home gym. This Circuit Fitness foldable rowing machine comes with 8 levels of magnetic resistance. The flywheel is quiet, so you can use it when other people are sleeping or while watching TV. It comes with a steel and aluminium frame that is both lightweight and durable. The seat is reinforced with durable injection molding, which makes it comfortable for rigorous rowing. It comes with grippy padded foam handles. The footrests have adjustable straps, so they'll fit almost any size. The display panel shows strokes, distance, time, and even ambient temperature. This machine was impressive with its stylish look and color scheme. We thought that the seat was extremely comfortable. We liked the position of the LCD screen. It offered a heads-up view with a lot of information about your workout. The foot straps were durable and easy to adjust. If you're willing to spend a bit of extra cash, then this model might work great for you. Pros: extremely comfortable seat, heads-up display monitor, quiet flywheel. Cons: more expensive than other models. Number 3, our third best pick is Marcy Foldable 8-level magnetic resistance rowing machine. The Marcy Foldable model is the most portable folding rowing machine in this roundup. It has extra stability features, and you can transport it from place to place in your home gym. This Marcy model comes with 8 levels of resistance that use a magnetic flywheel mechanism. Like the last model we reviewed, it comes with a heads-up display screen with a media storage slot for your phone. The foot pedals come with adjustable straps. The resistance knob is easy to turn between rows. It comes with an extra stability bar in the middle of the slide rail, making it one of the most stable that we have reviewed. The LCD screen also folds down flat. Our favorite feature of this foldable rowing machine is the extra stability bar. It was designed for vigorous rowing. We also liked that portable nature since it was intended for personal home gyms. The Marcy rowing machine has a resistance knob that features 8 preset magnetic levels that can be customized to match your target workout zone. If you're casually working out, turn the easy-to-use knob to the lowest level for high-speed rowing. Pros: display screen folds down, easy to transport, media slot included. Cons: smaller than other models. Number 4, our fourth best pick is Merax Magnetic Rowing Machine Foldable Exercise Rower. If you're building your garage or home gym, then you may not want to spend too much money on equipment. You chose the Merax model as the best foldable rowing machine. It is ideal for people who want a good rowing machine without breaking the bank. This Merax model comes with a magnetic resistance flywheel that has 8 different levels. It has a padded, upholstered seat that is tilted at a 15-degree angle. This level of tilt helps reduce the level of noise and sliding resistance. It features an LCD display screen that shows you workout stats while rowing. It comes with built-in wheels and an easy folding seat rail that makes storage simple. The resistance can be changed quickly with an oversized knob that clicks into place at each level. According to Merax, this rower activates 86% of your muscles with each row. One feature that we liked about this machine was that the footrest's tilt angle could be adjusted. It increases comfort for each user. While Merax claims to have a comfortable seat, we disagreed and thought it was too firm. However, we liked the 15-degree tilt angle. This machine also looks pretty cool with its black and blue color scheme. Pros: seat tilted 15 degrees. Stylish color scheme. Adjustable and tilted foot pedals. Cons: uncomfortable seat cushion. Number 5. Last but not the least, our 5th best pick is Stamina ATSR Foldable Rower. Do you want an air resistance rowing machine but don't want to pay $1,000? Then look no further than the Stamina Air Rower 1399. You won't break the bank with this rowing machine and the quality won't suffer either. The Stamina Air Rower 1399 has a solid steel frame, comfortable padded seat, multifunction monitor, and is 1/3 the price of high-end air rowers you see in the gym. Is it really possible that this rowing machine can deliver the same kind of full-body workout you get from the high-end rowers at your local fitness club? The Stamina Air Rower 1399 is an air resistance rowing machine. Here's a brief description of how an air rower works. When the handle of the rower is pulled, it causes a flywheel with fan blades to spin and create wind. The harder or faster you row, the more wind you generate. The more wind you generate, the greater the resistance becomes and the harder it is to row. There is no knob to turn or button to press to change resistance levels. The resistance level is determined by how hard you row. That is why this type of rower is categorized as variable resistance. If one day you feel like taking it easy, don't row too hard and the resistance will be minimal. Conversely, if you feel like having a more intense workout, row harder and I guarantee it will be much harder to row, because the resistance will be greater. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback, like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.